Hi there, welcome back to another episode of Jana Eats. Thank you for tuning in to my gluten and dairy-free cooking show to teach you easy ways to make delicious food. In fact, delicious food for all. It just happens to be missing gluten and dairy. So today, I am making one of my favorite things. They're lemon bars. Who doesn't like a lemon bar, right? And so I'm gonna do it gluten and dairy free, and we're gonna jump right in. So I took an 8x8 Pyrex pan. I sprayed it with, I found this, ghee oil. Who knew? You can do coconut oil, it'll work just fine. And I also put a little bit of parchment and sprayed that too, just because it's a new recipe and I don't know if it'll pop out. So I took half, which is 4 ounces of this Miyoko's vegan butter. I love anything this woman makes. It's off the hook. So Miyoko's, and it's 4 ounces there. And then because I'm gonna try and do this sugar-free as well, a nice guilt-free treat, right? I'm using my best friend, Lakanto. And as you can see, like I picked up a bunch of Lakanto at TJ Maxx, so take a look. I'm using a cup of Lakanto, and again, half a package of the butter. So we're just gonna cream that together, the Lakanto and the Miyoko's vegan butter. And then I'm going to add some flour. So that's pretty well incorporated. Any gluten-free flour mix will work. I'm using Bob's Red Mill. I like it a lot. And you're gonna do 3/4 of a cup of flour in this. So there's a half a cup, and here's a 1/4 cup. So there's 3/4 cup, Bob's Red Mill. And we're going to stir that in as well. And it looks crumbly, kind of like a pie crust right now. The next thing I'm adding is 2 organic eggs. 1, 2, as you know, I have hens, although my girls are getting too old to lay. So it takes the zest of an entire lemon. So make sure you wash your lemon before you use the zest for obvious reasons. You don't want who's ever handled these, because you're just using the zest. Don't do, no pith. So there's all the zest for the lemony goodness. And as you know, I think adding the zest to anything that uses citrus juice, it just gives you another layer of intensity of flavor. And then we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm gonna squeeze this over the cup because that's gonna be too wonky for me. So, ooh, these, and I love a Meyer lemon, as you well know. My Meyer lemon magic oil, the first. So we'll do 3 tablespoons, 1, 2, 3. Much easier. Save that lemon because you're gonna be making a kind of a dressing later on. So save that lemon, you're gonna add that to powdered sugar. I'm also gonna add just a little tiny bit of salt. I like, not much, just a touch. I like salt in sweet things. It brings out that little extra note. And it's a tiny amount, just a little je ne sais quoi, you know what I mean, people? So I preheated my oven to 350, and I'm gonna pop these in the oven, into my pan, prepared pan. I'm gonna press these out flat, pop them in the oven, 15 to 20 minutes. I'll let you know how long it takes, and we'll be back. So stay tuned. So while the lemon bars are cooking in the oven, we're gonna make a lemon icing. And again, Lakanto makes a powdered sugar. Yay! We're gonna put a cup of the powdered sugar. And we're going to do 4 tablespoons of the lemon juice. If you don't have enough from the 1 lemon, just squeeze another one. 3. Oh, this is oh, wow. Wow. And then the other thing too, that again, I like to just add a little more zest. I mean, it just gives you another layer of flavor. And I'll just whisk that in. And you can see, oops, don't fling it around the room. But do you see that? It's just like a powdered sugar icing, just like Mom used to make. So that's ready to put onto the lemon bars once they're out of the oven and cool. So we'll be back and see how this turned out. I hope it's good because I love a lemon bar. See you soon. Okay, the lemon bars are out of the oven. It took 25 minutes, not 15. See how good this is? And then I cooled them. And see how they just lifted right out of the pan. Yay. So I'm gonna slice these into little bite-sized nuggets. They're cutting beautifully. The other thing too is, remember, we've got this frosting, right, that I'm going to drizzle over the top. So let me cut these. Love me a lemon bar, people. Okay. Let's get a spoon. I tasted a little corner. They're good, they're not too sweet. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah. Okay, let me just take a little corner of a piece that's not big enough. Wow, really good. The frosting makes it. Let's put a little garnish on the plate. No, don't need that. Oh my gosh, they are really good. They're not too sweet. They scratch the itch. I think next time I'd put extra zest in it. But with that, the frosting is what takes it to the next lemon level. Is that a lemon level? Anyway, make these. Tell me how you like them. And while you're watching, please subscribe to my channel. Interact with me. Let me know what you want me to make next. And let me know what you like. So I look forward to helping you next time make something gluten and dairy free and delicious. Come back.